Hello, good morning. My name is Tetteyvim, your ICT facilitator. This morning, we're going to continue our previous lesson that is entitled File and Folder Management. So right away, let's go straight to the content and continue from where we ended last week. Last week, we learned how to create folders and we used different methods. That is creating the folder using the graphical user interface, and we also absorbed knowledge on how to create folder using the command line user interface, and we saw how we can use objects and graphics to create folder using commands and menus. And also in the command line user interface, we saw how we create folder using command lines. So today we're going to look at the next subtopic in our content, that is relocating folders or moving folders from one location to another. Here we are with the content for today. In our previous lesson, we learned how to create folders. Today, we're going to learn how to move folders from one location to another. We will also be looking at moving files into folders using the cut and paste method. We will also be learning how to rename folders using the right mouse button and other methods. Then last on our list, we will be looking at the differences or the nuance between files and folders. Just relax and follow as I teach you how to do these things with simple tactics. Is that right? Okay, so let's move on. Here we are on our desktop screen, and we're going to learn how to relocate folders or move folders from one location to a different location. And this is very simple. So relax while I lead you to do this using simple techniques. First, we're going to open our file explorer. Do you know why? As at our previous lesson, you remember we created a folder using the command line user interface, and that folder was stored in our root directory, which is drive C, where our operating system softwares are stored. Okay, so let's quickly go to our drive C to locate that particular folder. Then we can start the relocation. So I move my mouse pointer to my file explorer. Papam, it's opened. So you can see that the folder we created last week was named Tetteyvim 5. So we're going to use three main methods to relocate our folder from this particular location. And the first method is copy and paste. Again, copy and what? Paste. So let me just do that. So observe. Just move your mouse pointer to the folder you wish to relocate and right click on it. This is a menu. Among the list of options displayed in this menu, select copy. You can minimize this window. Now, on any empty space on the desktop screen, right-click again and select Paste. Bravo! You can see the folder called Tetteyvim 5 relocated on the desktop. That is very simple, isn't it? So let's try another method. So we go back to our file explorer again. We still have our folder there. What can you observe? You would observe that when we use the copy and paste method, the folder will be what? Duplicated. What that means is that we're going to have multiple folders with same name. It means that when we copy and paste, the original folder is still kept in the original location, while we'll be having a different folder in our new location bearing the same name. So in this case, they are not different, but it have been what? Duplicated. Do you get it? Good. So having Tetteyvim 5 folder here, because we duplicated it using the copy and paste command, we're going to use another option. And before we do that, let's delete our folder on the desktop screen. So this process is cut and paste. Again, cut and paste. So we right click on the folder and select cut. Then we come to our desktop screen after minimizing the window and right click and select paste. Wow, you can see that the Tetteyvim folder has just been what? Pasted on our screen. Let's go to our file explorer and observe something. You can see that the folder called Tetteyvim 5 is nowhere to be found. What does it mean? It means when we use the cut and paste option, the original folder will be what? Erased or deleted, leaving the folder on the new what? Location. So this is the difference between cut and paste and copy and paste. Copy and paste, that's what? It duplicates the folder or it duplicates the file. When we use the cut and paste method, it erases the folder from the original location and paste it at the new location. So observe these facts. Is that okay? Good. So let's copy and paste our folder in the file explorer again and delete it from desktop while we look at the last method. Alright, so now you know the difference between copy and paste and cut and paste. Let's look at our last method. The last method, we're still going to open our original location, which is drive C. This method is called drag and drop. It's called what? Drag and drop. So with drag and drop, we move our mouse pointer to the folder we wish to drag and drop or we wish to relocate and left click on it. Okay, now after left clicking on it, you move gently to the desktop area and release the left mouse button. Let me repeat this. Dragging and dropping. Move the mouse pointer to the folder you wish to drag and drop, left click on it and hold the left mouse button. Move gently to your new location, which is the desktop, and what? Release the left mouse button. You can see that our folder has been what? Pasted on our desktop screen. You can observe that our folder just moved to the desktop screen. This is very simple, and I hope you can do this. Stay blessed and have a blessed day. I'll come your way same time to continue the other aspects of our content. God bless you.